So over here, if I were to go ahead and open up VLC Media Player, then this is what you have. If I were to go ahead and double click again, nothing actually happens. You simply have one window right here. So you can go ahead and bring in your video right here and play it out right here. Double click on VLC Media Player, another instance does not open up. But let's say I want to play multiple videos at once in different windows. In that case, you can actually enable multiple instances as well. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto Tools, then onto Preferences, and over here you can see that allow only one instance is an option right here. You need to go ahead and uncheck this out right here, just like this, and click on Save. Once you do that, now if I were to double click, you can see that another instance of VLC Media Player opens up. So now you can simply go ahead and bring in another video and play two videos right here at once, as you can see, just like this, or three videos at once as well, just like this right here. And that is how you can go ahead and play multiple videos at once using multiple instances of VLC Media Player as necessary. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.